This, bro. Cover your farts.
Who has the most tattoos? At least this week. So this one you're gonna turn into me.
Let's score.
Oh.
Cover your farts.